Ah, a skeleton? Does it have backbone? No. So it has shell at the outside. So they don't have skin, but they have shell at the outside. That's why we call it as an invertebrate, but outside we call it as exoskeleton. Okay, let me explain one new word to you. Okay, it is invertebrate because it has no backbone. However, it does have shell. Okay, shell on the outside. So that's why it's called exoskeleton. Okay, there is actually called exo and endoskeleton.
But a beetle's teeth are so sharp, can bite right through wood.
Okay, so that's pretty much wood louse. Wood louse doesn't pee at all. It just farts. Okay, so wood louse is a kind of invertebrate animal that doesn't have a skeleton inside, but it does have outside, which is called the exoskeleton. Okay, so that's pretty much about wood louse. I think we did this experiment before, so I'm gonna skip this, but we did this for mini bees previously. Okay, and we learned about sorting animals and plants identifications. Okay, so instead of sorting, so we learned about mind mapping. Okay, so the sorting we call it identification keys. Okay, so these identification keys are like, is it round? Yes or no? If yes, round, does it look like ball? If yes, this is the thing. No, this is a ring and stuff like that. Okay, so this is how from this you form to a identification key. Okay, so is it round? Yes and no. So because there's like no, definitely is this one, which is A. Okay. Then if it's a yes, okay, this tree is round. How do you differentiate it? Is it like a ball round? Okay, or no? Is it like a ring round? Okay, so that's why you see when it's a ball round or like a ball like this. Okay, so this is the food. Well, no, it's like a ring. Oh, ring, this is the one, yellow base. And now it's actually a malai and stuff like that. Okay, so this is how you do identification key. So now from this picture, I'll give you some time. Okay, please copy this picture. Please copy down this, no need the picture.
Don't need the picture of the animals lah.
No need, yep, this part no need. Just copy identification keys.
Okay.
So just want to practice on how to do mind mapping identification keys.
Is it copy the mind mapping in our exercise book?
That's right.
Okay. But
Okay.
Can I copy in a piece of white paper?
Sure, go ahead. I just prefer exercise book so you won't lose it. But if you don't have exercise paper, you can write on a piece of paper. It's fine. Okay, so on the header there, just write there identification keys to the page 83.
Teacher, is it we need to copy the word inside? Is it we need to copy the word inside the column?
Yeah, copy everything. Okay, copy everything exactly. The only thing I don't want you to copy is A. Instead of A, you figure which animal is this. Besides that, everything copy exactly the same.
Okay. Clear first. Done. and I
Okay,
write the answer in the column already.
fantastic. Let's discuss, all right? Okay, so now, does it have wings? Yes, yes, it has wings. Does it have feather? Yes. Who has wing and feathers? Who is that? A
Parrot.
fantastic parrot. Okay, B. It has wings, but it doesn't have feather. Who is that?
Dragonfly.
Dragonfly. Good. Okay, C. No, it doesn't have wings, but it has fur.
Tiger.
Good. Okay, it doesn't have wings, it doesn't have fur, but it does have a shell.
Snail.
Good. It does not have a wing, it does not have a fur, and it does not have a shell, but it does have a fin.
Sardine.
Sardines. Okay. And which one does not have a tail, does not have a fur, does not have a wing, does not have a shell, does not have a fin?
Crocodile.
Fantastic. What does crocodile have then? What crocodile has? It scales. Okay, now do you guys understand how to see mind mapping now? Okay, cool, right? Okay, done. Okay, let's move on. Let me clear this. Okay, now there is many different types of leaves over here. So now with the same thing in okay, we'll need you to do this identification keys. Okay, now with this, you're gonna tell me, hey, which is lily pad? Is it 1, 2, 3, 4? Which is the one? Okay, it's a little bit small. Okay. Okay. Is the leaf round? Yes. Lily pad. So which has a round leaf? Is it 1, 2, 3, 4? Which one? Which is a lily pad? Can you circle it on the screen? Very good.
Is it use another circle on the screen?
Yes. Okay, number 3 is
Lily
lily
pad.
pad. Good.
Lily pad must have lily.
Okay, that's right. Okay. No, it's not round leaf. Does it have thin needle leaves? Oh yes, not round, but it's thin needle leaf. It's called pine needles. Which one you think is pine needles? Which is pine needles? Okay, there is a. All right, everyone standardized. Good. Pine needle, number 1. Okay, next.
Teacher, is it we need to copy this
No
nine
need. No need. No need.
don't need to write already.
No need.
Oh.
Okay. When need, I'll highlight to you. Okay. So this one is not round. No, it's not round. And no, it's not needle leaf. But it is, yes, it's dark on top and light underneath. Or is dark on top and light underneath? Looks the same color to me. You see? Yes, this is the one called olive leaf. So this is olive leaf. Okay. So the last one is banana leaf. This is called banana leaf. Got it?
Banana leaf I see from my Penang House.
Oh, your Penang house has banana leaf. Got it.
Hoa ta cùng cùng một hoa cha không tin được chung.
I see. Okay, so this is the part you need to do. Okay, now they didn't ask you the question. You have to figure out the question and find out, hey, why this question is this answer. Okay, so yes, this you need to do in your book. Okay.
Is it copy?
Yes, copy this and then figure what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
So there's 2, 83, page 83 and page 86.
Teacher, is it the column only to write the animal name?
No, this is for you to ask the question. Just like this. Does it have thin needle? Is it round leaf? So the first question they ask, does it live on land? Yes, this is land animal. So what differentiates this group and this group? This group, what are the similarities they have? What is these two same and these two different?
Fox and rabbit. No. Fox and rabbit has fox and rabbit has
Have what? You see the body covering? This is fur, this is fur, this is scale, this is feather.
feather.
So yes, these two has what? What is similar?
These two have fur.
Yes. Does it have fur? Understand?
Can I type my answer on the screen?
No. Do it your way because everyone different. So your answer might be different from Jensen. So do it by yourself, or you can type to private message me also.
I write, does it have fur? And yes, I ask, does it have long ears?
Can?
Yes,
No.
it is rabbit, and no, it is fox.
can say, does it have long ear or does it have long tail? Things like that. Okay, the question can be anything. Okay, if you're not sure, feel free to ask me.
Teacher, is it we finish asking question, we need to write the answer.
Yes.
Is it we also copy?
Copy the answer, no need to draw.
Copy the answer, no need to copy the answer.
Need to copy the answer, no need to draw.
Oh. Teacher, is it SQL?
Skill, you mean skill, is it?
Skill.
In the chat. Skill.
Okay, thank you. Teacher.
Yeah.
I don't know what I can write on this.
Okay. So now again we have to find the similarities of these two.
This two.
Okay, which one you say this two is same and this two is okay, both of this? What is
The both of these have two.
what?
The both of these are living in the water.
Okay.
But the frog and pond skater can.
Okay. So does it live in the sea? Got it?
Okay. is it the fish also have gills?
Sorry?
Is it the fish also have gills?
Fish does have scales, yes.
What does it what does it say in English code?
Sorry?
What does the wheel and shark say in English code?
What is die?
Say
Die?
你在
我不明白什么 die。
你在水里面游泳的时候，那个鳃呀，他们用鳃来呼吸哦。
You mean gills?
啊，
Is that right? My Chinese isn't that fantastic. Is what you're referring skill? Okay. So now you find the similarities already, right? Now you find the second question here, you need to find the differences. What's the differences of these two? One is a mammal, one is a fish.
Yes.
So yes, it's a whale. It is a mammal. Okay, or you can say, because yes here, right? Does it breathe through lungs? Okay, got it?
Okay.
Both also fine. But do not say, does it have gills? Because yes, no, whale doesn't have gills, okay? Done? Okay, Jensen, can you tell me what's your answer for the first, second, and third? Just to make sure it's correct.
Can I write this column? Can I write does it live on the land and in the water?
Can, but both of it quite similar?
Does
Both also does live in the land and the water.
it has 3 legs? My sister has 4 legs. So yes, go to frog and no go to homesteader.
Yes, but it would be nicer if you ask, can it hop? There is more obvious difference. Okay. Okay, I kind of can understand all the questions that Joanne is writing when she asks. But Jensen, how about yours? Is it a wild animal? Okay, good. No. Is it a farm animal? Because it says yes here. So this is definitely not a wild animal. So instead of wild, you change it into farm. Got it? Okay, then how about this? Jensen really don't like to talk.
Teacher, how do you spell poison?
Poison. Okay, can. Your question, does it have poison? Or you can say, is it poisonous? Okay, is it poison is not a correct English. Got it? Is it poisonous? Okay, pretty good. Okay, any questions? Okay, so if
No.
all right, so very glad all of you understand mind map very well. So we have covered everything about identification key, about vertebrates, invertebrates.
Radio, mind map,
Yeah, previously I taught you guys, right? Or
and
you
the
learned somewhere else?
activity book.
Yes, that's right. Okay, so very good. So all of you know mind map very well. So the next lesson we're gonna learn about the waste. Okay, the 3 R's. Okay, recycle, reduce, and reuse. Okay. All right. So and also pollution if we can cover all at the same time. Okay. So that's what we're gonna cover tomorrow. Mind map done. All right. That's all for today. Enjoy your tea time. Bye.